Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Shippo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in goshippo.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Shippo website. Click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your email address and your password to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page. From this page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the settings page. Now just tap on profile underneath account and you will see your username. Just type in your desired username that you wish to use within the name section and click on the save button. Once you click on save, you will be asked to enter your password to confirm your changes. So type in your account password and then click on confirm and your username will immediately be changed. You can come back to this page as many times as you want in order to change your name. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on Shippo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.